This is 50L distillation equipment installation operation instructions. The first part, the installation of electrical components. Prepare the electric rod and wire, temperature controller and wire, electric control box. Open the insulation cover of the heating rod and find the heating rod interface, which generally has 3 terminals. Thread the wire through the heating rod protective cover. Connect these 3 wires to any of the 3 different terminals of the heating rod, add the gasket, and tighten the nut. Open the thermostat protection cover, find the thermostat interface, there should be 3 terminals. Thread the wire into the thermostat through the small hole. Connect the brown wire to the positive terminal of the thermostat. The other 2 wires are randomly connected to the other 2 terminals of the thermostat. After ensuring that the power is off, open the cover of the electric control box. Connect the electric rod and thermostat line into the electric control box. The thicker wire on the left is the electric rod, and the thinner wire on the right is the thermostat, like this wiring method. In this way, the electric control box and electrical components wiring is completed. If you want to know more, please contact us.